Hey electric bike enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited about today's video because we're diving into the future of two-wheel electrification. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 new electric bikes of 2024 that are set to revolutionize the way we ride. From mind-blowing features to jaw-dropping aesthetics, these bikes are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of electric mobility. So buckle up and get ready to witness the next generation of electric bikes that will leave you in awe. Let's jump right in. Our first entry takes commuting to a whole new level with the HAPPYRUN Race Max. This is an electric mountain bike that is perfect for both urban commuting and off-road exploration. It comes with a powerful 500-watt motor that provides up to 22 miles per hour of pedal assist and a 48-volt 12.5 ampere-hour battery that provides an assisted range of up to 40 miles. The bike also has a 7-speed Shimano gear transmission, puncture-resistant 27.5-inch tires, and front suspension for a smooth and comfortable ride. Featuring a color block design, sports style, and streamlined matte finish, this mini-city bike has dual disc brakes, non-slip bump handlebars, LCD battery or speed indicator, foldable handle head, and adjustable saddle. It's great for commuting on flat city roads for teens and adults. In order to carry light items when you are hanging out, you can add a basket to the front or install a kettle holder. Due to its compact and folding design, it is convenient to transport and store. There are 3 modes of operation: pure electric mode, electric assist mode, and normal bike mode. It's great for riding around the neighborhood, town, park trails, city streets, campus, and campgrounds. Perfect for short trips and daily commutes. It is 90% pre-assembled, there is no complicated assembly required, and it is faster to enjoy a new ride. Overall, the HAPPYRUN Race Max is an excellent electric mountain bike that is a great value for the price. It is perfect for riders who are looking for a versatile bike that can handle both commuting and off-road riding. At number 2, Jasion EB5 electric bike. This is a great option for those looking for an affordable and reliable e-bike. It is equipped with a 360-watt battery that can provide up to 40 miles of range on a single charge and a 350-watt motor that can assist you up to 20 miles per hour. It also has 26-inch tires, front fork suspension, and 7-speed gears to make your ride more comfortable and efficient. In order to assist you with your pedaling, the motor will provide a moderate amount of power. You can select from 3 levels of pedal assistance to meet your needs. Simply twist the throttle to achieve the desired level of power. Just like any other bike, you can pedal it normally. The e-bike travels at a speed of 4.5 to 7.5 kilometers per hour depending on the conditions of the road. This will help you push your EB5 effortlessly, especially when going uphill. With 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, you'll get greater durability. It features a high-strength front fork suspension, Shimano 7-speed gears, dual lights, LCD display, and mechanical disc brakes on both front and rear to provide more comfort, adapt your e-bike to complex road conditions, and keep you safe. It is a highly efficient, city-style, affordable electric bicycle that has a minimalist and sleek appearance and only weighs 49.6 pounds. It has a triangular high-carbon steel frame that provides more stability. Its front fork suspension absorbs bumps and makes your ride more enjoyable. It has a bright LED headlight and taillight for safe riding in low-light conditions. The Jasion EB5 electric bike is a great choice for commuters, casual riders, and anyone who wants to experience the benefits of electric biking. It is affordable, reliable, and easy to use, making it a great option for people of all ages and fitness levels. Next, we have Totem electric bike. Totem is a premium electric bike brand that offers a wide range of high-quality, affordable e-bikes for all types of riders. Their bikes are designed to be durable, comfortable, and versatile, making them perfect for commuting, exploring the outdoors, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around town. Featuring adjustable stem angles, Victor 2.0 is the perfect travel companion for riders of all heights and riding styles. The battery can be recharged in 2 to 3 hours with a 3-ampere fast charger, and the rear hub motor is powered by a high-speed 350-watt motor, rendering a high output efficiency. It is equipped with a Shimano 21-speed gearing system that will satisfy all your speed requirements on any terrain. The electric mountain bike comes 85% pre-assembled, with instructions and installation tools. It features hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power in all weather conditions. They also come with LCD displays that show you your speed, odometer, battery level, and pedal assist level. It comes with a comprehensive warranty that covers parts and labor for 1 year. Any defects in the materials or workmanship are covered by this warranty. Overall, Totem electric bikes are a great option for riders who are looking for a high-quality, affordable e-bike. With their powerful motors, long range, and comfortable rides, Totem e-bikes are perfect for commuting, exploring the outdoors, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around town. Next, we have the HAPPYRUN electric bike. HAPPYRUN is a brand of electric bikes that are known for their durability, performance, and affordability. The company offers a wide variety of models to suit different needs and budgets, from city bikes to mountain bikes. It's a powerful and versatile e-bike that is perfect for commuting, trail riding, and casual cruising. It features a 1,500-watt brushless motor that can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and a 48-volt immovable battery that can provide up to 68 miles of range on a single charge. The bike also has a 7-speed transmission, disc brakes, and a comfortable saddle, making it a great option for riders of all levels. It is designed for comfort and safety. It features an ergonomic design with a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars. The bike also has a number of safety features, including front and rear lights, a disc brake system, and wide, stable tires. Overall, the HAPPYRUN electric bike for adults 20-inch is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and eco-friendly electric bike. It is perfect for commuting, trail riding, and beach cruising, and it provides a fun and enjoyable way to get around. Finally, we have the Ridstar electric bike. This is a powerful and versatile electric bike that is perfect for commuting, cruising, and exploring new terrain. It is equipped with a 1,000-watt motor that can provide speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. This makes them a great option for commuting or cruising around town. The battery on a Ridstar electric bike can be easily removed and charged at home or work. This makes it convenient to keep your bike charged and ready to go. It has fat tires that provide stability and traction on a variety of surfaces. This makes them a good choice for riding on dirt, sand, or snow. It comes with full suspension, which helps to absorb bumps and vibrations. This makes for a more comfortable ride. The LCD display on a Ridstar electric bike provides real-time metrics such as speed, distance, and battery level. It also allows you to adjust the settings of your bike. It has 3 riding modes: bike mode, pedal assist mode, and fully electric mode. Bike mode is just like riding a traditional bicycle. Pedal assist mode gives you a boost when you pedal, while fully electric mode allows you to ride without pedaling at all. This is a great option for adults who are looking for a fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly way to get around. This is also a good choice for people who have difficulty riding a traditional bicycle due to physical limitations. Thanks for tuning in to explore the electrifying world of two-wheel wonders with our top picks for the newest electric bikes of 2024. If you're ready to hit the road with style, speed, and sustainability, these cutting-edge rides are the way to go. Don't forget to drop a comment below telling us which electric bike stole your heart. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more thrilling tech updates. Until next time, ride safe and ride charged.